This video explains how to test whether a data object is a vector using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a vector object, as you can see in line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new data object called myVec is appearing at the top right, and we can print this data object to the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see that our data object contains 5 elements. Now we could simply apply the is.vector function to this data object, as you can see in line 5 of the code. And as you can see, if we do that, the logical indicator true is returned, which should tell us that our vector object is actually a vector. However, I want to show you one problem with this procedure. And in order to show that, we first need to create a list object, as you can see in lines 7 and 8. So after running these lines of code, a new list is appearing at the top right. And after running line 9, our list is printed to the RStudio console. However, what I want to show you is that if we apply the is.vector function to this list, as you can see in line 11 of the code, still the logical indicator true is returned. So if we really want to make sure that our data object is a vector, we need to combine the is.vector function with the is.atomic function, as you can see in line 13 of the code. So in this case, I'm applying these functions to our list, myList. So after running line 13 of the code, you can see that the logical indicator false is returned, which tells us that our list object is not a vector. However, if we apply those two functions to our vector object, myVec, as you can see in line 15 of the code, the logical indicator true is returned, which tells us that we are dealing with a vector object. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.